Welcome to today's tutorial on how to copy a pin link on Pinterest, updated for 2025. Whether you want to share an inspiring idea or save a pin for later, copying a link is a simple process. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your boards and pins easily. The app's interface is user-friendly, allowing you to navigate through your saved content effortlessly. Next, from the homepage, scroll through your feed to find the pin you want to copy. You can also use the search function if you're looking for something specific. Once you spot the pin that catches your eye, tap on it to open it up. This will take you to a detailed view where you can see more information about the pin, including its description and comments. Now that you have the pin open, look for the three dots located under the pin. This icon is your gateway to additional options. Tap on these three dots, and a menu will pop up with several choices related to sharing and managing the pin. From this menu, select Copy Link. Once you tap this option, the link to the pin will be copied directly to your clipboard. You'll see a brief confirmation message indicating that the link has been successfully copied. Finally, you can now paste this link wherever you'd like. Whether it's in a message to a friend, an email, or even on social media, just tap and hold in the text area where you want to paste it and select Paste. This allows others to view the exact pin you found inspiring. And there you have it. Copying a pin link on Pinterest is quick and easy, enabling you to share your favorite ideas with just a few taps. Thank you for following along, and happy pinning.